This is a tutorial how to explore the world. If people think to explore the chance, just use, just explore. But this is the true thing to explore is I'm gonna show you how to really explore. First, I recommend you use the cuddle car and the quiz. Now, go. Now make a party. There we go. Cattle car is one of the early best trains on dead rails. Now there we go. Need to sell the gold, buy some coal. Or let's just gonna do, okay, for this one, gonna suck this. And you can also use this for later. You can use this later. Just put it here. And we can do the coal glitch. Wait, let me just buy one coal, so it's gonna be 3. There we go. And now suck it. Okay, let's just suck this. Okay, there we go. Another one. We need to use the newspapers because some zombies can still get inside. So yeah. Okay. Suck this. We still need to use the newspapers. Okay, need to put it up. And don't worry about the nighttime. Don't worry if it's nighttime because you're gonna use the crucifix. There you go. Put it here. And one right here. Okay. There's all the things where you need to put it. So if there's an emergency, you can get it there really fast. Oh, wait, I forget something. Oh my god. I forget the gold bar, man. And how am I? There we go. You can use any class, but I recommended you to to use the priest. Don't worry about nighttime. And don't worry about the werewolves. It's okay even though they... Wait, stop. Oh shoot. Oh no. Oh, it's fully dead. I'm just gonna make a part 2, guys. Bye.